Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Walrus token. Ticker symbol is WAL. Now this token is being listed on a very big central exchange starting March 27th. So in about a day and a half or so, this token will be listed on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their X here in the corner of the screen as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. Their webpage is at walrus.xyz. You can find this token on walrusscan.com/testnet. And they have a full document section that you can find at docs.walrus.site. It was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting March 27th at exactly 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search the ticker symbol WAL after this token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, if you check out the other videos that I posted today, there is a ton of huge projects being listed today, tomorrow, and yesterday. I mean, almost every day there's huge projects being listed on Mexc. So definitely check out the other videos that I just posted, like the Particle Network token is one of them. And there's even some meme coins in there if you like meme coins. Now, this token's also being listed on Lbank. It doesn't give an exact date yet. It just says coming soon to Lbank, so maybe around the same time, but definitely Mexc. Now, what is Walrus? Walrus is a decentralized storage and data availability protocol. Walrus is focused on providing a robust and affordable solution for storing unstructured content on decentralized storage nodes while ensuring high availability and reliability even in the presence of Byzantine failures. Now, what are the features? Number one is storage and retrieval. Walrus supports storage operations to write and read blobs. It also allows anyone to prove that a blob has been stored and is available for retrieval at a later time. Also, cost efficiency. By utilizing advanced erasure coding, Walrus maintains storage costs at approximately 5 times the size of stored blobs, and encoded parts of each blob are stored on each storage node. This is significantly more cost-effective than traditional full replication methods and much more robust against failures than protocols that only store each blob as a subset of storage nodes. Integration with the Suiet blockchain. So Walrus leverages Suiet for coordination, attesting availability, and payments. Storage space is represented as a resource on Suiet, which can be owned, split, merged, and transferred. Stored blobs are also represented by objects on Suiet, which means that smart contracts can check wherever a blob is available and how long it extends its lifetime for optional deleting. Now, epochs, tokenomics, and delegated proof of stake are another feature. So Walrus is operated by a committee of storage nodes that evolve between epochs. A native token, WAL, and the subdivision Frost, where 1 WAL is equal to 1 billion Frost, is used to delegate stake to storage nodes, and those with high stake become part of the epoch committee. The WAL token is also used for payments for storage. At the end of each epoch, rewards for selecting storage nodes, storing the servicing blobs are distributed to storage nodes and whose stake with them. All these processes are mediated by smart contracts on the Suiet platform. They also have flexible access, so users can interact with Walrus through a command line interface, software development kits, and Web 2 HTTP technologies. Walrus is designed to work well with traditional caches and content distribution networks, while ensuring all operations can also be run using local tools and maximize decentralization. Walrus's architecture ensures that content remains accessible and retrievable even when many storage nodes are available or malicious. Under the hood, it uses modern error correction techniques based on fast linear fountain codes, augmented to ensure resilience against Byzantine faults and a dynamically changing set of storage nodes. The core of Walrus remains simple, and storage node management and blob certification leverages Suiet smart contracts. Now, the documentation, if you want to go over it, is split into several parts. Number 1 is the dev blog, which contains announcements and other blog posts. Number 2 is design, describes the objectives, security properties, and architecture of Walrus. Number 3, usage, provides concrete information for developers. If you want to get started quickly, you can jump directly into the setup chapter. And lastly, number 4, Walrus sites describes how you can use Walrus and Suiet together to build truly decentralized websites. They provide a glossary that explains the terminology used throughout the documentation. They have sources, all sorts of stuff. Check it all out, docs.walrus.site. Check out the X that I'm going to put up here, and you'll be able to find this token newly listed as of the 27th on Mexc Global. So let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.